7. Oga Deligima, Afambu Chidebere. Ie Ani Gamu Tabu Umbuzo first person pronoun. Gini or Kedu Ihe Ineme. What are you doing? Answer. Anam Eri. I am eating. Anam asa efere. Anam asa efere. I am washing plates. Anam egu. Anam egu. I am playing. Anam abwa egu. Anam abwa egu. I am dancing. Anam epere. Anam epere. I am praying. Anam agu akuko. Anam agu akuko. I am reading. Anam abu. Anam abu. I am singing. Anam ezu ike. Anam ezu ike. I am resting. Anam abwa also. Anam abwa also. I am running. Imeela Kodi Jisike Nasu Igbo. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye.